That's kind of small. Yikes.
Two hours later.